drowning in team projects, and desperate for the ultimate collaboration tool showdown? Let's settle it. ClickUp vs Miro. First up, ClickUp, the project management powerhouse. See how you can create tasks, assign due dates, and track progress with customizable views like Kanban boards and Gantt charts. Notice the custom fields. These let you tailor ClickUp to fit your team's specific workflow. Now, switching gears to Miro, the visual collaboration maestro. Picture an infinite whiteboard where you can brainstorm with sticky notes, create mind maps, and visualize complex processes. See how easy it is to drag and drop elements, connecting ideas in real time. When it comes to teamwork, ClickUp excels at task-oriented collaboration with built-in commenting and assignment features. Miro, on the other hand, shines with its visual collaboration tools, allowing for real-time cursor tracking and interactive voting sessions. Think brainstorming and design thinking. Let's talk budget. Both platforms offer free plans, but with limitations. ClickUp's paid plans unlock unlimited storage and advanced features, while Miro's paid plans provide more collaboration features and guest access. Choosing the right plan depends on your team size and needs. So, ClickUp wins for structured project management, while Miro takes the crown for visual collaboration. Consider your team's priorities. Do you need robust task management or a collaborative whiteboard? The answer will guide you to the perfect choice. Like and subscribe for more comparisons.